In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. District Sangar, Sindh, Pakistan. Come, let us show you where and how we serve humanity. We reach out to distant areas, delivering essential food supplies, sacrificial animals during Eid, cooked meals through community kitchens, and distribute rations to the poor, helpless, orphans, and widows. Here is a glimpse of one such village near Dalore Stop, Brahmanabad, Mansura Goth Muhammad Chattel. This area lacks access to clean drinking water, schools, and basic healthcare. The people here live in extreme poverty due to unemployment, inflation, and social neglect. These are simple, humble people, living 10 generations behind in a time where it is already 2025. Despite this, through the Makatib Pakistan Project and Al-Basat Trust, we deliver your donations, entrusted by generous donors, to those who truly deserve it, purely on the basis of humanity, beyond religion, sect, language, or ethnicity. Your donations help provide cooked food, fruits, sweets, snacks, and cold beverages, monthly rations and home construction aid, clean water projects and solar systems, marriage support and iftar gatherings, sacrificial animals and Eid gifts like clothes and shoes, delivery support for pregnant women and medical assistance, construction and repair of mosques, programs for births and martyrdom commemorations, mayalish and food distribution during Muharram, monthly financial aid for widows, school fees, educational institutions, Quran centers, and training, medical camps, mosquito nets, warm clothes, and job setups. Join us in this noble cause. Be a part of serving humanity and earn the pleasure of all.